All right, back to school is around the corner. I don't know if you knew that. And do DIY lifestyle influencer and one of our favorites, Taylor Kaye, is here to help get your kids set. All right, let's talk about some of the trends.
Well, yeah, you know what? And I'm a mom of 3 tweens and teens, and that can be expensive. So I'll tell you, Louie, one thing that I do as a parent, especially for teens and tweens, I will get them a gift card, and then we'll sit down and they're like, what's your wants and needs? Because sometimes they want mom to shop, sometimes they don't. So that's a way to get your kids budgeting, and maybe even with the younger kids. The trends you're going to see, of course, florals are huge. You're going to see that in the dresses, from the backpacks. Unicorns are not going out of style. You're going to even see that in the shoes, pops of colors in the shoes, and then Baby Shark. I know you wanted to sing the song.
Baby Shark,
yeah,
you know, Baby Shark,
exactly.
There it is. Had to.
If you want to save as well, my suggestion is when you're getting lunch bags, because there's a lot of litterless lunches that, you know, even the school board here, the Hamilton Wentworth School Board, they're looking for litterless lunches. So grab lunch bags that have like the containers in them. And I know in my home, if you know, as a parent, I get utensils they're missing all the time. Wherever the socks are going, that's where they're going into school. Checkerboard is huge as well. You're going to see that in lunch bags and also in the drinks.
And like you said, find those ones where it's everything included. Yeah, especially thermos. I mean, what a reliable classic.
Right,
thermos.
and you know what? Those add-ons, when you start separating the containers and the lunch bags and the thermoses, then that's when it gets expensive. I think this one was like $15, and it has 7 pieces in it. So good to go. Now I just have to make the lunches. Yeah, right.
You gotta get back in that routine. Yeah. That takes a while. Okay, we're talking about note taking. There's a couple of different ways to do it.
Yeah. Do you want to talk tech?
Yeah, let's talk tech.
So the one thing with tech, you know what? And again, as a parent, what my suggestion is, create that command center. We're all doing. I know I didn't charge it enough for you there, but yeah, you'll see all my secret notes on there, guys. But you know, having a Chromebook or some type of tablet. But my suggestion as a parent, again, as a parent is 3. I have them sit in the kitchen or a living room. You don't have to call a contractor and set up a new homework area, but then you can monitor what your kids are doing. And you know, you can have that one computer, then you can make sure they're not doing Fortnite and Roblox, and then you can complement with a tablet, and then someone's reading, well, someone's on the computer, so you're not busting your budget. I will say, I snagged all this at Walmart. You can go online or in store. They've got their kids durability program too for clothes, so when kids are going out of clothes, hold your receipt, stop by, say hello, because kids are growing out of stuff.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. That's a great deal. Especially Chromebook, too. Right. They've really brought them up. Like when I was in high school and like Chromebooks or whatever, laptops were...
laptops. You saw that circle that kept going around. But what were you doing? Were you trying to play video games, Louie? I don't know if Louie was... Were you doing your homework?
Don't throw me in this. Don't throw me in this one here. Binders, always a reliable classic.
Yeah, exactly. You know what? And with especially my daughter who's a teen, it's taking those notes, and they do need those binders, and they need those separators. So I've had like friends going, are binders still... is that still a thing? You know, and there's pop of colors. I've got the basics here, but you know, depending on what your teen wants, they can get, again, the checkerboard. You're going to see that in the binders too.
Well, especially binders, we were talking about note taking. You had a pretty interesting statistic when it comes to taking notes and writing things down.
Yeah, and this is from Bit Canada. 62% of Canadians, like even the tech savvy ones, still love to take notes. Are you a note taker?
I love just, well, not even note taking, more just like scribbling random thoughts and then losing them wherever I put them.
And this is from Bic. This is the Bic 4-color portfolio. This is their new smooth pen, so easy peasy. I just love that it's like a drawer. I remember getting this as a kid too. It's a drawer full of pens, right? You've got all the different colors. Would you try and put all of them down?
All of them down at the same time. That was the best part.
Yeah, black, red, green, blue. But I know I love taking notes. I also love scribbling. I also like doing chore lists for my kids too. Do they do them? I don't know. But you know, you can grab these anywhere. You know, so you go Staples, Walmart, Costco, Amazon, wherever you want. Wherever you shop.
You know, sometimes you'll pick up these pens, these multicolor pens, and then they're just like the dollar store versions. You'll get like 4 of a pack. But like Bic is, you know, it's quality when you're getting a Bic pen.
Right, exactly. And I mean, I love taking those notes. And again, back to the binders. And I think for kids that like to do their study notes as well, I'm seeing that again with high school students. They're color coding and, you know, doing their study notes. You know, probably doing their crushes as well.
Well, speaking
Taylor
of that,
Plus. I don't know.
Speaking of that, you know how often I tried to have an agenda or have a planner and get like September, October. But again, if you're going to start like October, that's about it. But this is a great idea just to keep organized of your day and your track. And it's very durable when it falls on the floor.
Don't drop your laptop, drop your book. And I will say some schools also provide planners, but if you don't, you know what, head into any of the stores and grab one because you want to set your kids up right for school.
Taylor Kaye, We crushed it.
Good luck,
Thank
parents.
you for doing this. Good luck, parents. All right, when we come back, more CHCH Morning Live. Stay with us.